in here?
No, my papa get them.
Who gets in here?
No, my papa get them.
Who gets in here?
No, my papa get them. No, my papa get them. No, my papa get them.
Who gets in here?
No, my papa get them.
Who gets in here?
No, my papa get them.
Who gets in here?
No, my papa get them. No, my papa get them. No, my papa get them.
This Ateta safe. He didn't say me and I'm not mate. He won the try shoulder with him papa.
Oga Guardiola, congratulations on yet another Premier League title, sir.
My boy. We thank God for another successful EPL harvest.
But how you take the do am, sir? Even Oga Sir Alex Ferguson never carry PL 4 times in a row.
Before I come City bar, he get one thing where really vex me. I dey buy and die here. English fans know the great person here word. Any small thing, them go talk best league in the world, most competitive league in the world, this one, that one. But I be not argue with them because I know say everybody get their own opinion. But wetin make me tear shirt now when they come they insult other leagues. They call them Farmers League. No be saying that them carry Champions League pass o.
Chai, English people safe.
I come they feel like say the Bundesliga and the La Liga when I carry na trash.
And no be say English coach don't carry EPL safe.
The thing really pay me so I be one carry Bayern Munich enter PL. Destroy all of them. But Football Federation no dey agree that kind thing.
No, sir.
So I can't go Man City based on say their neighbor na the most successful team in English football.
I don't understand.
If I fit conquer Oga EPL, I fit farm their league.
So your plan is to come England, neutralize their leader, then come assume leadership.
Exactly. Dictatorship to be precise. I know they like democracy.
Your job don't finish be that now.
Finish waiting. Them say they talk say EPL na the most competitive league in the world.
But not the most competitive league in the world.
And why pure Ramo called though? How many Champions League the whole English team don't carry? You no even reach Madrid don't save. Even as I dey City now, Madrid still they show me shege banza.
As we talk about the competition inside the league, no be outside, sir.
I go slap you. No they follow me argue. Your job na to talk, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Leave that boy alone for your life.
What you have?
You know they hear gunshots? Ateta don't vow saying go end their lane for England.
But I don't already carry PL now.
As you no leave any trophy for them, now your head in one cali.
My head na trophy.
If it be trophy, now just Obama ear remain as per handle.
You dey mad. Security no dey.
Which security? That guy na sharpshooter oh. It's like John Wick teacher.
But no be so them they do am now.
Now so him want take do am. I say make I just alert you before them go invite me come here Belia.
Nobody go invite you.
I go still come chop life.
Why they do like this now?
Person tell am say, if you still no give up, make you still no make am. See am, him don dey come. Now too much pressure go kill you. Me I don't learn.
Wait for me now.
A few moments later.
Where him go? Oga Teta, how they do you for body now as your former master Guardiola don't carry yet another EPL trophy? Now that side them go, sir. Good boy.
Our people, based on the Champions League where they go on, 1xBet don't carry promo where them they call Champions Seasons. Come e go get more than 2,000 winners. If you want follow for this promo, first of all, make sure say you register with our promo code GNEXT to get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Then go for the promo page, press take part. On how you place bets wey pass 3,000 inside any Champions League match, them go give you promotional tickets. Remember say as the money where you dey take bet they increase, na so the tickets they increase join. Now these tickets them go use do draw, where you fit win $5,000 cash, 5,000 bonus points, and $100 free bets. Read the terms and conditions before you start though, and try to dey always bet with sense. Good luck.